Today we're opening up one of the cooler smart locks I've ever seen. It works with Alexa as well as Google Assistant, but it's also, in my opinion, one of the cooler locks because you could use it with an existing deadbolt. So what you have is your actual lock, your Bluetooth gateway, your battery is base plate type, base plate options, cover plate, adhesive strips, lock adapters, power cord, tamper-proof screws, one screwdriver, and some grommets. Goes through all of the indications for which base plate you would need, how to secure the smart lock appropriately, etc., etc. Okay. That is a shiny screwdriver. This is a very cool product. This feels very sturdy. I think that it's a really great idea.